Hi everybody, I'm Jen with opensource.com and I have a brand new top 5 articles of the week for you today, April 21st. At number 5, 3 open source boilerplate web design templates. Jason Baker, an editor at opensource.com, writes that today few people design web pages from scratch. Most opt to use a pre-built template design custom fit for their content management system of choice. To avoid reinventing the wheel and hand-coding your website, Baker suggests using HTML boilerplate templates and frameworks. In this article, he introduces readers to Bootstrap, HTML5 boilerplate, and Skeleton. At number 4, a Linux-friendly DAC and headphone amplifier for listening to music. Do you keep a music library in digital form on your computer? Or maybe you have a dedicated music server? Chris Hermanson brings us tips in his latest Open Music column for choosing a digital to analog converter well suited for your operating system in terms of compatibility, features, and sound quality. At number 3, 12 ways to study a new programming language. What do you do when you decide you want to learn a new programming language? Well, E. Dunham, a DevOps engineer for Mozilla Research, outlines 12 techniques for studying and learning your new language of choice. At number 2, Grok the GIL, How to Write Fast and Thread Safe Python. A. Jesse, a staff engineer at MongoDB, explores the GIL, or Global Interpreter Lock. He dives into the CPython interpreter source code to find out exactly what the GIL is, why Python has one, and how it affects your multi-threaded programs. And finally, at number 1, 5 projects for Raspberry Pi at home. Ben Nuttall of the Raspberry Pi Foundation walks us through using the Raspberry Pi as a media center, a secure gateway for access to computers and devices on your home network, a pet camera, which Ben uses for his pet turtle, to control IoT home devices, and for anonymous internet browsing. That's it for the top 5 this week. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next week for a top 5.